this video, I'm going to show you how to create a greengrocer order form and easily customize it on a daily basis. You can add or change your veggie and fruit box options as per your availability. I'll use this ready-made greengrocer order form template to get you started quickly. With the built-in automatic calculations, your customers will know how much is the order total and the summary of the order before they can submit the orders to you. Let's get started. We're doing this in 3 steps. Step 1. Let's copy this template. Step 2. Let's see how you can customize this template to quickly duplicate an existing item to grow your order form. Step 3. Let's preview the final form and test by placing a sample order. And we'll see how you can share this form with your customers. Now on step 1, let's make a copy of this template. On Neotiles Grocery website, click on Create Order Form. On this template gallery, click on View All under this grocery category. Here, let's use the greengrocer order form template. This order form template has some specialty boxes of vegetables, fruits, and some dairy products as add-ons. To make a copy, click on Use this template button here on the bottom right of the page. Change the title to your farm name. For example, I change it to Fresh Baskety Greengrocer. Then choose your currency. I'm changing it to Euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. Click on Confirm. It is now preparing your form. Alright, it's copied now, and this is your own order form. This form is in edit mode already. Do you see the little gear icons all over? You can click on these gear icons to make changes to the form. Now let's move on to step 2. Let's start customizing this form. You may be changing the box contents on a weekly basis depending on seasonal availability. So let's begin by changing the description and the price of this weekly veggie box. Click on the gear icon next to the option. On the sidebar, you can add or change your choice of vegetable available this week. Say you want to add turnips here. You can also change the price if you want. Say I'm changing it to 37 euros. On the order form, you see now the description and the price got changed. Now you can also add another specialty box by simply duplicating the existing item. Say, for example, you want to offer a 5 kg citrus box to the list. You can create a copy of the existing seasonal fruit box. To do this, click on the gear icon next to it. And at the sidebar at the bottom of the page, you see a copy icon which says duplicate this product. Click on it to create a duplicate of this seasonal fruit box. Once it is added to the order form, you can change its title, description, image, and its price like before. This new product has been successfully added to the listing. You can now add any number of items that you have for this week's sale. Now that you know how to add or change items, you can also delete the items by clicking on the trash bin icon under each of the listings here. Okay, now let's move on to step 3. Let's see how to preview and test this form before you share it with your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in the desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. Here, you can change the theme, color, and appearance of the form. Now it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form on a new window. Here is the final form. This is how your customers will be seeing it. And now, I'm going to fill this online greengrocer order form just like your customers do. I choose to order a weekly veggie box, some herbs, and a few eggs as add-ons. I click on Next, and now I'll go ahead and write my contact details and address for delivery. I can now see the order summary and the order total. This makes it easier for me to know what and for how much I've ordered. Now I click on Place Order. At your end, you can go back to your order form and click on the Orders tab here to see the list of orders that you've received. Now you can share this online greengrocer order form with your customers. Click on Share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone, social media, or share it via WhatsApp, or even embed it in your website. Thanks for staying with me on making your order form. Start accepting orders online for your greengrocer store today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartile.com. We are happy to help. See you there.